This video guide is about removing the new browser hijacker that is called defense-search Newtab. Defense-search Newtab is a browser hijacker that attacks Google Chrome browser. This particular browser hijacker, of course, is not reported as a browser hijacker by its developers. Instead, they claim that by installing this extension, you will be able to somehow improve the online safety for your browsing. But they don't mention the fact that Defense Search Newtab actually hijacks some of your crucial browser settings. So when you start submitting some search queries, you will notice that the results are delivered by Bing or by Yahoo or sometimes by some other search engine that has not been selected by the customer initially. This particular hijacker, called Defense Search Newtab, also replaces your Newtab parameter. It is spread through integration with certain free applications, so in most of the cases customers download and install it unintentionally. In the light of this information, we recommend you to get rid of this hijacker as soon as possible. You can do that by accessing the menu of the browser, click on More Tools, then click on Extensions. So disable and remove any third-party extensions from this list. To make sure that your computer is free of other threats, I strongly advise researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.